Hey guys, today we will be focusing on a multiplication rule or counting principle. And it's basically a fundamental idea in maths, in probability, combinatorics, when it comes to permutation, combinations, when you need to choose and select things and solve these kind of problems. Now, let's dive into this. Let's say the event A can be carried out in n different ways, and also the event B can carry it out in n different ways. Now, the total number of ways when both events A and B can be carried out successively, so can be found just by multiplying these two n times n. So this is for A and B. Now, that's basically the idea of multiplication rule. This multiplication rule can be extended to any number of successive events. Also, a counting principle asks in how many ways some event occurs. Now, let's put it to the test. Say I have, or anyone has, 3 different shorts. Let me grab another one. Guys, a true confession before I get started. I'm terrible at drawing, and I have to draw now. I have to draw it in order to show you. So that's gonna be my best attempt at drawing. So just I think I'm going to do it off of the camera because I can't. Let me take a look at the picture. I can't imagine how. I need some special drawing lessons to be taken. Looks like a house. Yes. Okay, anyway. Now trousers. Okay, go. Let me grab a picture. Yeah, oh, trousers better. I love my trousers. I love my pants. I love it. This is a masterpiece. This is a masterpiece. I'm telling you. and maybe red trousers. Yeah, red is the best. Where is red? Red. I love it. All right. Let's say someone has 3 different t-shirts. All right, this is t-shirts, and also 2 different trousers or pants. So the question might be asked, in how many different ways you could come up with an outfit, so that the combination of a t-shirt and a pants. So since your first event can come up in 3 different ways, so you have 3 different ways of choosing, of selecting, or of picking a t-shirt from these 3, and you have 2 different ways, 2 different choices of picking one pair of trousers from these 2. So the total number of these combinations, when you can combine a t-shirt and a trousers, can be done in 3 times 2 different ways, which is basically 6. So again, at this point, all you need to do is just apply multiplication rule. You could basically since these numbers, they're kind of a small numbers, so you can just basically list out all possible combinations. You just combine this one, the first one, this one, the second combination, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth. So, but if you use this formula, so in the same way you would get 3 times these 2, and it turns out to be just 6. So in 6 different ways, this event of choosing the outfit containing the top and trousers. So you have 3 different tops and 2 different trousers. So in 3 different ways you could pick the that one that you wanted to put on, that you wanted to wear. Suppose you have been given 2 types of different bread, 3 types of different meat, let's say pork, chicken and beef, whatever, and 6 veggies, whatever. So the question might be raised, in how many different ways a burger can be made? So from this variety, from these items or ingredients. So if there are 2 types of bread, so 3 types of meat and 6 types of veggies for a meal, for making a burger, let's say. So in how many different ways the burger can be made? So how many different possibilities are there? And this is my best attempt at drawing burger. Does it look like burger? I don't know. Yeah, but I love it. I love my pictures today. I love my drawing today. It's the best. The best I've ever drawn in my life, in my whole life. The best. You have the first event. You have 2 different types of bread. So you take these 2. You have 3 different types of meat. So you have 3 choices to pick from. You have 3. And you have 6 for the last 4 veggies. So all you need to do is just multiply them through. You multiply these 3 numbers through. So it becomes, let me grab another one. It becomes 2 times 3 times 6. And it's gonna be, this is 6 times 6, 36 different combinations, 36 different possibilities, or 36 different outcomes that your burger or your meal can be made. Now, sometimes when it comes to this multiplication rule, some people draw a kind of a tree diagram that helps you and that gives you this visualization that the geometrical idea, the geometrical interpretation, if you will, of these things that going around. So all you need to do is just start with the first one. So you have 2 different variations, you have 2 different choices, 2 different possibilities of choosing, of selecting bread for your meal. On this you have 3 different possibilities of choosing meat. So you have 3 different choices. And finally, so this is your bread. You could write it like this. So this is your meat, types of meat. And finally, for each of these meat, you could select one of these 6 different variations of veggies. So you have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for each one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks like a little bit messy, like the whole my life. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But anyway, for some people it makes this stick. So and basically you can just write out explicitly the possible outcomes for this event. So you have if you are given the types of bread, so and also the types of meat, so this one gonna be your veggies. So you can just write it like explicitly. Let's say you have 1 and 2 types, whatever, like white and brown bread, yeah, and you have meat, let's say chicken, beef and pork, or let's say, I don't know, ABC, so ABC, And for veggie, you could have like, I don't know what I can use. You can write it like 1A V1, 1A V2. And if you want to count them, so the total number of all these possible outcomes, it's gonna be 36. You have like 6 branches over there, and you have 6 like this, 6 these bunches of branches. So 6, 6, 6, 6, and 6. So 6 times 6 gives you 36. Anyway, anyhow, the total number of possible outcomes is 36. Alright, with this being said, I hope it has been helpful to you. Huge thanks for watching, and to your new brain, I know everyone hates maths, but if you like my video, please hit this like, share with your friends, leave the comments down below, and hit this subscribe button, smash it if you haven't, so you'll not miss out my new videos. And the okay, short. How can I draw it? Let's say it's short. Pink short. Doesn't look like short, does it? Okay, whatever. Let's say blue. Okay, I will just copy from this picture. Looks like a house, not like a short. Why I have to draw this weird stuff? This is sleeves. Okay, shirt sleeve. Or trousers. How can I draw trousers, Lord? No, remove. I removed my masterpiece. Your trousers, I think, better for me than, yeah, trousers, whatever. My trousers are masterpiece. Yeah, done. You, I love it. How many different possibles